Let us see how to create a free website using Google My Business. Now for that, just go to your Gmail, go to the right top corner in Google Apps, just click it, come down, just check for the Google My Business. Just click more from Google. So Google Cloud, just check for Google My Business. Now just go to Google by My Business. So in that, if you click the Google by Business, you have to log into your account, right? I'm logging to a sample account, and you need to type your business name here, right? So here I'm typing my business name as Bouncer and Security Services, right? I am creating a free Google website, Google My Business website for a bouncers and security services company, which is based in near Gumadipundi. Now click next. Now choose the category that fits your business category. Just typing it as security service. Then click next. Now, do you want to add a location? Customers can visit like a shop or an office. I'm giving yes. Then click next. Now, it is asking for the address. Just give the address. 1 minute. I will give the address. Uh, 549. Sorry. 549 TLU Telugu Colony. Right. Kavaraipetai. Kavaraipetai. Gumadipundi. Gumadipundi. You have to give the correct address so that the Google will send us post within 14 days. You will receive the post and you need to give the enter the password or the PIN number which has been sent by Google to us to concerned street address as concerned address which you are given, right? So I am giving it the address carefully. LMUTALAMBEDU Kavaraipetai Ruler. Right. Town. Property. Pin code 601-206. State. You give the state. Which state you belongs? It belongs to Tamil Nadu. Right. So first you need to give the address carefully. Right. Now click next. Where are you located? It's asking for it. Just reduce it. Okay, it's correct. Right, click next. Now, do you also serve customers outside this location? I'm giving it as yes. Then click next. Now add areas to serve. Right, Chennai, Vandalore, Oragadam. Right, Tamil Nadu, India. Right. Then you click next. Now the contact phone number. Just give the contact phone number. 1 minute. I'm giving the correct phone number. 89 454. Okay. After giving this contact number, it's asking whether you have the current website URL or you don't need to have a website or get a free website based on your information. So click get a free website based on your information. Then click next. Now stay in the know. Want updates and recommendations for your business on Google? Yes. Click next. Now click finish. Now we need to choose a way to verify it. Right? No text. So 1 minute. Now we need to enter the code. Right? Enter the code as received in the mobile. Now click verify. You are now verified. The account is now authorized to manage bouncer and security services on Google. Get started. Right? Add your services. Event security, commercial security, bodyguard service, inspection, airport, alarm. Right? Not armed security. Show more. On-site guard service, residential security, security consulting, warehouse security, private security guard. Click save. Now add opening hours. 24 hours open. So I'm just giving that. Since it is a security service, it's 24 hours open. Click save. Now add business description. Let customers find out more about your business. 1 minute. Business description I am giving. Just copy it and paste it. See, maximum 750 words you can give, 750 characters. So that's all you can give. So I'm just cut shorting it. Right. Now click save. Now you can add photos of your business. Right. I'm adding the photos of the business. I'm selecting photos from the computer. So these many photos I have. So I'm just adding it up. So it is uploading. All the photos are uploading. Once uploading has taken place, we will go to the next step. Just wait for some time. There are around 30 plus photos. So that's why it's taking some time to upload. If you give 1 or 2 photos, it will upload it immediately. Okay, photos added. Now come down. Right. Now you click next. Click next. So the image is being uploaded. I'm going to the next stage. Okay. If you want, you can claim your 2000 rupees free advertising credit. Right. If you claim, so that is different. If not, I'm just skipping it. Your business profile is almost ready. You can continue making updates and edits to your profile at any time. Click continue. Right. Welcome to Google My Business. Get started. Right. Now you can. So dashboard has been created for the particular website. So Bouncer and Security Services. Right. Now you can go to the website, which is present at the left part of the dashboard. Just go to that. One minute. Yeah. Here. Click that website. Welcome to your site. Get started. Pick a theme for your site. You can select a theme for the site. Right here, just click it. See, now the site has the following theme. This theme, this theme, this site has, right? Right. This is the theme. Okay. Now, if you want, you can edit the header. 1 minute. Okay, there's a cover photo. Okay, just close it. No, not record. Cancel. Okay, if you want to change the theme, right? If you don't like this theme, these colors, these themes, everything, you can just change it, right? See, if you go here, this color will be there. If you go this type of color, if you click that, it's another color, right? It's a cream soda theme. This is emerald, right? So like this, different themes are there. So I'm selecting this. Looks much more nice, right? Okay. Now you click this button, this tick. Now tell the story. Click that in that. Right. Primary button. Get code is okay. All the emails that will be all the codes, everything will be sent to this concerned email ID. Then headline you can change. So there is another name to that actually. 1 minute. Uh, just a minute. It's called Prime. PRIME. Right. Prime Bouncers and Security Services. Description. If you want, you can change it later on. Summary header. 1 minute. Thank you, bouncer service. Bouncer security service. One minute. Now body. What else to be given? 1 minute. Just click it. Bouncer security service. Okay. Double click, it will come, right? Okay. 1 minute. And it will tell about your service. I'm just copying it from the word which I have already created for it. Now just paste it. Just paste it. Right, it is just reflecting here at the right side. Just put a tick mark, it will auto save. Right, done. Now gallery is ready, map is ready, call now, phone number is ready, get directions, address is ready, open house is ready. Right. Now we can create post too. Right? Create your first post. Just click this. Create the post. Now just I'm giving. Just click it. Just click what is new. You can add photos to it, to the post itself. Right? I'm adding up some more photos. Yes, it is uploading. So you can write something on the post. I'm just copying it and pasting it. Add a button. You want to order online or book, just click book button. Link for your button. I am not providing any link. If you have an existing payment link, then you can add it here. If not, you can just publish it. Just publish it. No, you have to provide a link, right? So I am copying my own link now. Later on, you can change the link, right? Or I will provide my website. 1 minute. So I'm providing my own site link just as a sample. Actually, you have to provide the payment link here, right? Now we publish it. Right. First post has been view on search. So in the local search, it looks like this, right? Phones and security services, Kavalapete, like this. It's the right side, right? Let's close it. And when you click this button, if you are given the payment link, it will lead to the payment link. Okay. Now one more post I will add. We'll go to home, go to site, website. Right. This is the header. We need to edit the header. Just click that button. Select a photo from the computer. So I'm selecting this photo. It looks much more nice. Okay. Let's close it. Right. Right. Next, one more post. Just let me create. What is new? Add photos. Select photos from your computer. This photo. If you want to add a button, you can add, otherwise you can just publish it. Right, second post. Again, you just go to website, double click, right. So second post has been added, right. Similarly, you can add up more number of posts. As on date, you can add up, create more number of posts, right. So I'll add some 2 more posts actually. Create post, what's new, add photo. Either you can add button or just without adding button and just publishing it. Yes, published. Just come back to home, come back to website, click it twice, right, 1, 2, third post over, again create post, again I'm just adding it. It's just uploading it. Create a post. Just publish it. Right, post has been published. Right. Just come to home. Again, website. Testimonial. 1 minute. So this is the gallery. So almost site is ready. The Google site is ready. Now just let us view the site. Right. This is the site view. Prime bouncer and security services. Right. If they click the quote, get quote, so these details will ask for the customer, and once submission, it will be sent to the concerned email ID of the Prime bouncer and security services email ID. Right, get code. Either you can click this or this. Similarly, call also. Call will be automatically be transferred from the phone to the concerned Prime bouncer and security services. So if you add some 2 more posts, this area will be filled up. So let me add 2 more posts. Okay, just a minute. I will add 2 more posts. Okay, just come back to website. Just go to left part of the dashboard, post. No, close it. Okay, here. What's new? No, add offer. Okay, offer title. I'm just giving a select photos. So the image is uploading. The offer title you can give something. You can give 20% discount on all events. Then add time, start date, start time, end date you can give. So I'm giving till 31st January 2021 end time. End time also I'm just giving it. This is the offer, 20% discount on all offers for bonds and security and services. Okay. So now just publish it. Yes, congrats. Your post is live on Google. Right. Now just come down, come to site, website, click 2 times. Okay, let us view the site again, right? Click this view. Okay, second, okay, one more we need to add up, right? 1 minute. Just go to post, just close it, add update, add photo, select photos, select it. If you want, you can add a button, just learn more, right? I'm linking a button. Actually, you need to give the payment link here, but now it's a sample. I'm just giving our site link. Now click publish. Right? Congrats, your post is live on Google now. Now, just to sorry, just go to website, double click, go to view site. Okay. So view the site. Right. Now it looks neat. Then come down. This is the services details. Then the gallery. Right. Yes. This is the Pakka site. It is a free site. All business can utilize this site. It is called Google My Business. If only thing is you just need to have a Gmail account and a business premises. If you don't have a business premises, Google cannot able to verify, you cannot continue the free service. And Google will now send you a verification. So once you receive the post, mostly you will receive the post within 14 days time or even before. So that there will be a pin, some 6-digit pin or something like that. A pin will be available in the post. You need to enter that pin. Only after entering the pin, your business will be verified, and then you can use the Google site as usual, especially for editing. Right? Thank you, friends. Hope you understood how to create a free website, free Google My Business website. And now we have created the website, free website, Google My Business website. You would ask me where is the link. So for that I'm just having this video. Right, this is the link, bouncer dash and dash security dash services dot business dot site. Right, so this is the link. Just copy it, just paste it. Right, you will have the website link. Suppose you want to change the link, right, change the name, username, you can do that also. 1 minute, you need to go to this. See here, there is a button, just editing button. Right, here we can change the name of the bouncer and security services, because the name is actually Prime Bouncer. Right, so we will do one thing, we'll put Prime Bouncer, Bouncer, Prime Bouncer. See, Prime. Okay, we'll mark it as Prime Bouncer. That will be nice. Right, so Prime Bouncer dot business dot site. This looks much more good, right? So https / prime bouncer bouncer dot business dot site. Right, now change it. Right, we have changed the site. Now we have changed the site name. Now just go and view the view the site. 1 minute, just view the site. Yes, super. Right, now your site name is this. Right, Prime Bouncer, you can see it at the top left corner. See here, Prime Bouncer dot business dot site. Just copy it and you can share it with your friends. This one. See, actually this is the visible HTTPS. It consists of SSL certificate, security certificate from the Google too. It is not just HTTP. It is HTTPS, secured site provided by Google to individual entrepreneurs. HTTPS : then the name, whatever we give, primebouncer.business.site. Right, so this is the site, business site. You can share it with your friends, you can utilize it for business. It is a purely functional site. Right, it is a purely functional site, 100% purely functional site. Thank you.